Sydney. I was not a bully in high school. I just want to clarify that right off the bat. I know that might not be the most believable thing, given I look like this, and I do look like I would beat you with a baseball bat for Taylor Swift tickets. But don't worry, I'm really nice. I wasn't a high school bully, but I did have a high school bully. She wasn't normal high school bully mean. Like, she didn't steal anyone's lunch money. She was only child mean. This is different. How do I say this? It's like every single person they meet is the sibling they've never had, and I mean that in the most negative way possible. I don't know, do we have any only children in the audience tonight? Good, because all of you were psychologically damaged because your parents didn't have another kid. Take it up with them after the show. That's just true. No, she was crazy. She one time had her mom message me over Facebook Messenger and say that I was a low priority in her and her daughter's life because I chose to drive to the senior prom with my date instead of her. Imagine being so pissed that your supposed best friend is getting laid, that you have your mom message her over Facebook Messenger. A lower priority for her was, finding someone normal to mess with. I've been to your house. I can dox you. But I'm not a bully. No, I do have one tiny moral dilemma from high school, though. I didn't start fights. I wasn't bullying anyone that didn't deserve it. But, I did have a really traumatic childhood. So I switched to drugs at a really early age. I bought a Juul. And look, and I'm not saying obviously not the best. Nicotine's not great for you. Peer pressure isn't good and you shouldn't make other people do drugs. Okay, well, except for one instance. So let's just say, on a hypothetical, that one was to introduce and inadvertently get their high school bully addicted to nicotine, which would increase their chances of lung cancer down the line, according to the National Institute of Health. How bad would that be? Okay, because here's the thing, I'm not proud, okay? It's not I actively promote lung disease to my enemies. It's just oh my God, you're still thinking about me after all this time. It all comes back to, you know what, let's do a thought experiment. I feel like you guys aren't getting this. Can we turn the music on real quick? There we go. Can everyone close their eyes? Take a deep breath in with me. Imagine the worst person you know, Mitch McConnell. Okay, there we go. Imagine Mitch McConnell vaping. Imagine Mitch McConnell just going to town on a peach kiwi disposable. Imagine Mitch McConnell's lungs slowly deteriorating until he can't legislate ever again. Tell me how that feels. Warm, exciting, perhaps even funny. Let's take it farther, just a step. Imagine your neighbor, Janice. At first you thought Janice was one of those cool old hippies, but it turns out she's just one of the neo-Confederates that smokes weed. Imagine Janice putting down the joints for one goddamn day and picking up a vape. Imagine her lungs exploding and a racist being punished. How do we feel? Good, right? I'm not a bully. Breathe out or in or whatever. Let's take it farther, just one step. Imagine handing Mitch McConnell a vape. Imagine handing Janice a vape. You don't feel like a murderer, do you? No. Everyone's fine. For now. I'm not a bully. I am, however, crazy. And I've on multiple occasions wondered about the very real possibility that she gets lung disease and sues me. What will I do? I know. I'll give her lawyer a vape. I'll give the judge a vape. The jury. Sure, maybe murdering people is bad, but you know what's worse? Being bullied. Cut the music. Cut the music. Listen, all I'm saying, people, if I go to jail in a couple hundred years for inhalation-based murder, guess what? Guess who's setting the legal precedent? Me. Not her. So who's the bully now, bitch? It's me. Thank you so much. I'm Sydney Breedlove.